We had the opportunity to check out the World of Barbie in Santa Monica. So we got on our best Barbie gear and headed out to check out World of Barbie. And if you are in LA, this is a must stop. My favorite thing was being able to jump inside life-size Barbie boxes. And yes, we could be anything. They had these themed for all different kinds of themes. My girls loved getting in them, and who am I kidding? I did too. Now you can also see the first Barbie on display. She is gorgeous, and yes, we needed a picture with the first Barbie. How cool is this? Now, if you grew up with the camper van, you're going to love this. Yep, you get to drive the camper. I had the camper when I was little, so this was absolutely one of my favorite stops on the World of Barbie tour. After the camper, you get to hang out poolside next to the camper in your lounge chairs, jam into some tunes, and you can even play DJ. So fun. Now they do have a lot of historical stuff on display, like the Barbie Dream House. Look at how cool this is. Going back to 1962, you can take a peek at all of the original dream houses. If a little bit of speed is more your speed, you can also check out the cars. Now the pool was my girl's favorite thing, and you could slide down that slide, and here is Barbie's Dream House pool, complete with all those balls of water. It was too much fun, and for grown-ups, it was really a blast to be able to play in that ball pit. If you wanted to be on your own Barbie show, you could easily hop onto those sets. And we also have Barbie role models. Now these dolls are all on display for everyone to see. They've got a lot of historical stuff on display. It was very cool to see everything all in one spot. Of course, we had to stop by Barbie's closet, filled with all of the latest and greatest in these bright colored fashions. The girls loved posing in Barbie's mirror. You can check out her shoes. And then there's even a artful display of shoes that's not located in the closet, but I really loved this. No trip to Barbie Land would be complete without a trip to the beach. And no, we did not see Ken working his job as Beach. They also have a really cool recording studio where you can do karaoke or you can play on the fake instruments. We had a great time at this exhibit. Now, this one did have a bit of a line to do it because the kids loved going in and doing karaoke. You can also walk the catwalk. That's the Barbie catwalk. Now, First Careers Barbie was so cool to see. You've got fashion editor, registered nurse, flight attendant, and career gal. These are all dolls from the 60s. They also have a bunch of historical dolls and packages on display. It was really cool to see all of the history and some of these Barbies that I had myself and that I played with. There's that old camper I had. All right, let's blast off onto the interstellar airways. Whether you're going to space or just flying across the country, having a little ride on Barbie's airplane is perfect for selfies and perfect for fun. You can sit in the different seats, Barbie, Ken, Skipper, all of them are there. Everybody's ready to get on board this flight. You also get a chance to hop into Barbie's living room, of course, with a beachfront view. Look at how gorgeous that scene is up in Malibu. She's even got a pink refrigerator and some super cool art that's on display. And all of this art was available to purchase in the gift shop, of course. And yes, we spent some money in the gift shop. We had so much fun at World of Barbie. What a great girls' day. If you're in LA, you're definitely going to want to check this out down in Santa Monica. And yep, we're excited for the Barbie movie on July 21st. Thanks for checking out the World of Barbie with us. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures.